When you swipe a credit card, are you using your money, or the bank's money? Most people don't actually know. And that confusion is what leads to debt. So today, I'm explaining how credit cards actually work, simply. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If credit cards confuse you or make you nervous, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how they work, and how to use them without getting burned. Let's break it down. Part 1. Whose money are you using? When you use a credit card, you're not using your money. You're using the bank's money. Think of it like borrowing cash for a short time. The bank pays the store first. Then you pay the bank back later. Stick around, this next part is key. Part 2, the billing cycle explained. Credit cards work in cycles. Usually about 30 days. During that time, you can spend on the card. At the end of the cycle, the bank adds it all up. They send you a statement showing what you owe. This is not the due date yet. Part 3, the due date and grace period. After the statement comes the due date. This is when payment is required. If you pay the full balance by the due date, you pay 0 interest. Yes, 0. This is called the grace period. This is how smart credit card users win. Part 4, what happens if you don't pay in full? If you only pay the minimum, interest kicks in. Interest is the extra money the bank charges you. That's how credit card companies make money. Balances grow fast when interest is added. This is how people get stuck in debt. Stick around, the next part affects your credit score. Part 5, credit limits and usage. Every card has a credit limit. That's the max you can spend. Using too much of it hurts your credit score. A good rule is to use less than 30%. Lower usage shows responsibility and builds trust. Part 6, payments matter more than anything. Your payment history is the biggest part of your credit score. Paying on time builds credit. Missing payments damages it fast. One late payment can hurt for months. Auto pay is your best friend here. Bonus part, credit cards versus debit cards. Debit cards use your money instantly. Credit cards delay payment. Used correctly, credit cards add protection, rewards, and credit history. Used wrong, they create stress. The tool isn't bad, the habits matter. Now you know how credit cards actually work. Simple, predictable, powerful, if used right. What part surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, Best First Credit Card for Beginners in the US.